Hey, what's up, guys? Right, tonight we're gonna draw 3 of the Wicked Tribe's complete antagonists. Tonight we're gonna draw Flicker, Loiter, and Schemer. Three of the Wicked Tribe's main bad guys. Of course, whenever these 3 possess anyone, they become angry and extremely violent, turning them into zombies. What jerks they are. They're weak against chili sauce. Something from a special pepper that Maximus N found. Going no. Alexa, play Just Think of It.
Here's Just Think of It, live by PJ Masks on Amazon Music.
Why should we always have to plan schemes for the PJ pests by ourselves? We can defeat them as a team! Just think of it! No more falling off of roofs into stinky garbage trucks. Just think of it! All the no good, not nice villain schemes that we can make. With villain teamwork, we'll hatch the perfect scheme. Defeat the PJ pests, we're a villain's dream team. Just think of it. Why should we have to work alone when we can work together? Think of it. We'll be unstoppable and the night will be ours forever.
With villain teamwork, we'll hatch the perfect scheme.
Defeat the PJ pests, we're a villain's dream team. Just think of it.
Here are the bandages. And done. That's how you draw the main characters, Flicker, Loiter, and Schemer. I finally drew all three of the main bad guys. One looks like an eel, the other one looks like a haystack with hair, and one's just really tall. All of them are complete! Ah, man, my back. That is how you draw the yokai trio from the Wicked. Alexa, what is Wicked?
As an adjective, wicked is usually defined as evil or morally bad in principle or practice, sinful, iniquitous. As an adverb, wicked is usually defined as very, really,
That's okay.
totally. For more, ask me to give you more definitions for wicked.
Alexa, what's the Broadway show Wicked?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, Wicked the Broadway Show is a production based on the book Wicked written by Gregory Maguire.
That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. There are lots of Broadway shows I want to see. You should check them out.